Welcome to 5911 Farrow Road. This neat 3-bedroom, 1-bath home with a fence yard and updated laminate hardwood flooring inside. It's located on Farrow Road, convenient to I-20. So you can see there is a driveway here out front, comes off of the street, has access to, it's like a gated backyard as well. And then we'll go up a few steps to the front door here. And I'll adjust that light for you so you can actually see inside. So once we're inside, you notice the laminate hardwood flooring, updated or vinyl plank hardwood look flooring. And the living room continues down, looks like the hall into the bedrooms as well. But you have a living room here off the entry. Nice large window looking out towards the front. Another one here. And then it's open to the kitchen, which has tile flooring. Wood cabinets here. You also have a stainless steel refrigerator, as well as smooth top electric range. And then there's washer and dryer hookups next to the fridge here, full size. And then this door lets you out to the backyard. So out back you have a small stoop out here. Backyard is fenced in. You have a nice large tree. Looks like that may be a larger magnolia tree, but I'm not sure. And also a shed there as well. And back inside, on down the hall, have one full bathroom in the home. That's the tile flooring as well. You have a single vanity here, medicine cabinet, and then tiled shower and tub. At the end of the hall here, a linen closet, and then 3 bedrooms. First one here, all 3 of them have ceiling fans. You can see the closet here. It looks like the closet does go back there a little bit. So you do have a little bit more space than it looks from the outside. And bedroom number 2. This one looks to be a little bit larger. See a ceiling fan in here as well. This one also looks out towards the back of the house. Roughly similar closet. I believe you're going to have in all of these. And then last but not least, this is your 3rd bedroom. This one's closest to the living area near the front. And it's pretty much the same size, and you see the closet there. So that completes our tour of this home at 5911 Farrow Road. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.